Today new topic, exponents and powers. Example, a power m, that a equal base value, then m equal power or exponent. Already this and all studied in near 7th standard. So now continuation. So anything power 0 equal to 1, the value anything power 0 equal to 1. So a power 0 equal to 1, where a not equal to 0. This is a very important formula. Next, a power minus m equal 1 by a power m, where m is an integer. That means positive change it to negative, negative change it to positive. So some formulas in power and exponents. So first one, law of exponents. First formula, product of law. According to this, multiplying two powers that have the same base, we can add exponents, that a power m by multiply a power n equal to a power m plus n. Next, quotient law, when dividing two powers that have the same base, we can subtract exponent. A power m by a power n equal a power m minus n. Third formula, power law. When raising a power, we can just multiplying exponents. So a power m power whole power n equal a power m multiply n, or a power m n. So now we are going to example 1.36. Sum. Find the values. So find the value of first one, 4 power minus 3, second one, 1 by 2 power minus 3, third one, minus 2 power 5 multiply minus 2 power minus 3, fourth one, 3 power 2 by 3 power minus 2. So first one, 4 power minus 3 equal, we change the negative value to positive value, 1 by 4 power 3. 4 how many times? 3 times multiple. So 1 by 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 equal 1 by 64. Second one, 1 by 2 power minus 3. Divide down, change it to up to negative positive value. So 2 power 3 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equal 8. Third one, minus 2 power 5 multiply minus 2 power minus 3 equal same base value. So the value is add 5, here minus 3 coming, so minus 3. So minus 2 whole power 2. So 2 times multiply minus 2. This one even number, no, so positive only coming. So minus into minus plus 2 multiply 2 equal 4. Fourth one, 3 power 2 by 3 power minus 2 equal 3 power 2. Here change 3 power 2 equal 9 into 9 equal 81. Next example 1.37. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. First one, 3 power 5 divided 3 by 8 whole power 5 multiply 3 power minus 5. So divide means write 3 power 5 by 3 power 8 multiply 3 power minus 5. So this and all equal values coming means we write 3 power 5 minus 8 multiply 3 power minus 5. So 3 power minus 3 whole power 5. 3 power minus 3 whole power 5 multiply 3 power minus 5. Already I informed product rule, 2 powers multiply. So 3 power 5 3s are 15 minus 15, 3 power minus 5. So same base value, add the value minus 15 minus 5 equal to minus 20. So 3 power minus 20. Next sum, minus 3 whole power 4 multiply 5 by 3 whole power 4. Here positive power coming means positive value only coming. So equal 3 power 4 multiply 5 by 4 by 3 by 3 power 4. 3 power 4 3 power 4 cancel. So answer is 5 power 4. Next example 1.38, find find x, so that minus 7 x plus 2 minus 7 power 5. So minus 7 x plus 2 multiply minus 7 power 5 equal minus 7 by 10. So here same base value no, so write x plus 2 plus 5 equal minus 7 power 10. So here base value equal, we change it to power value only. So x plus 7 equal 10, x equal 10 plus change it to minus, so 10 minus 7 equal 3. Next new topic, standard form of scientific notation. Example 1.39, combine the scientific notations. So first, so you know for standard form, that is the last value, this is the standard form. So here write very easily, write in scientific notation 7 multiply 10 power 2 bracket 5.2 multiply 10 power 7. Here numbers separately multiply and powers also separately multiply. So 7 multiply 5.2, powers add the value 10 power 2 plus 7. So 7 multiply 5.2 36.4, that means 7 2s are 14. Here 1 7 2 7 5s are 35. So plus 1 36. So 36.4 multiply 10 power 9. So here 1 point decimal value changing means 3 power 64 in 10 power 10. Next second sum, 3.7 multiply 10 power minus 5 bracket 2 into 10 power minus 3. First sum what, the same manner multiply the numbers and add the powers. So 3.7 multiply 2 10 power minus 5 minus 3. So 7.4 multiply 10 power minus 8. Next example 1.40, the same scientific notations in standard form. Very easily how to pronounce. Big numbers and all coming, no, that numbers how to easily speak or read and inform also. So first one 2.27 multiply 10 power minus 4. So minus 4 means decimal values 4 values, again extra 2, so totally 6 values coming. So 0.00030 and 227. Second one 1.86 multiply 10 power 5 miles per second in light travels. So how to write 5 times? So next example 1.6 fill in the blanks, say true or also I send in notes. So example 1.6 evaluate sums. So first one 1 by 2 whole power 3 So 3 times you write 1 by 3 by 2 by 3, 1 into 1 into 1 by 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Second one 1 by 2 whole power minus 5. So how to write 1 power minus 5 by 2 power minus 5 equal 1 power minus 5 multiply here down divide change into multiply, no? So 2 power positive 5 and 1 power 1 by minus 5. That means changing the value, so plus. So anything how many times 1 multiply the same value only coming. So 2 power by 1 power 5. 2 power 5 value is 2 2s are 5 times multiply 32 by 1 equal 32. Third one minus 5 by 6 whole power minus 3 equal to 1 by, here changing so value, so minus 5 by 6 positive 3, changing the value 6 by minus 5 whole power 3 equal 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 by minus 5 multiply 5 multiply minus 5. So 216 by minus 125. Fourth one 2 power minus 5 multiply 2 power 7, same base value, divide 2 power minus 2. So 2 power minus 5 multiply 2 power 7 by 2 power minus 2 equal 2 power minus 5 multiply 2 power 7, again change to 2 power 2. So down value move into up means positive value. So 2 power minus 5 plus 7, because same base value, plus 7 plus 2. So 2 power minus 5 plus 7 plus 2 9. So 2 power positive plus 4. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, the value equal 16. Next fifth one 2 power minus 1 multiply 3 power minus 1 divide 6 power minus 2. So here write 2 power minus 1 multiply 3 power minus 1 by 6 power minus 2, reciprocal the value 6 power 2 by 2 power positive 1 and 3 power positive 1, 6 2 times multiply 6 multiply 6 by 2 multiply 3, 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 6. Now next question, the same evaluate sum, fourth Roman. First one 2 by 5 whole power 4 multiply 5 by 2 whole power minus 2. So 2 power equal 2 power 4 by 5 by 4 multiply 1 by 5 by 2 positive 2. So now reciprocal the value 2 power 4 by 5 power 4 multiply 2 power 2 by 5 power 2. So same base values multiply. So 2 power 4 plus 2, 5 power 4 plus 2. So 2 power 6 by 5 power 6. So 2 6 times multiply. Five 6 times multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So 64 by 5 6 times multiply means 15,625. Next second sum 4 by 5 minus 2 divide 4 by 5 minus 3. So the same, right, 4 by 5 minus 2 by 4 by 5 minus 3, down change to positive value only. So 4 by 5 minus 3 equal 4 by 5 whole power minus 2 multiply 4 by 5 whole power 3. So same value, no, so 4 minus 2 by 5 power minus 2 multiply 4 power 3 by 5 power 3 equal 4 minus 2 plus 3 by 5 minus 2 plus 3. So remaining only one value, so 4 by power 1 by 5 power 1 equal 4 by 5. Next, third one, 2 power 7 multiply 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. So equal 2 power 7 multiply 1 power minus 3 by 2 power minus 3. Here changing decimal value, here changing the division value, so 1 by minus plus 3, 1 by 2 power 3. So equal 2 power 7, here reciprocal value 2 power 3 by 1 power 3. So 2 power 10 by 1 power 3 only. So 1 into 1 into same value, so 2 power 10 by 1000 to 4. Fifth one, evaluate 5 0 plus 6 power minus 1 multiply 3 power 2. This is very easy formula, anything power 0 equal to 1. So 5 power 0 1 plus 1 by 6 multiply 3 power 2. So 3 power 2 means 3 3s are 9. So 7 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 6 multiply 9. Here cancellation, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are, so 7 3s are 21 by 2. Second sum, 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 divide 6 power minus 1. So 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 by 6 power minus 1 equal reciprocal 1 by 2 power 1 plus 1 by 3 power 1 by 1 by 6 power 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 by 6. Here reciprocal changing, first we take denominator value 6, 3 1s are 3, so 3 plus 2, 5 by 6 equal 1 by 6. So 5 by 6 multiply 6 by 1 equals 6, 6 cancel. So 5 by 1, the answer is 5. Third one, very easy sum, 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3 whole power 0 equal to 1. How to write? Very simple, a power 0 equal to 1. So anything power 0, the value equal to 1. Next, sixth one, simplify the value. That means sixth Roman, simplify the sum. 3 power 2 whole power 3 bracket 2 into 3 power 5 multiply 18 power whole power 2. So 3 power 6 multiply 2 power 1. Very separately we segregate 2 power 1 multiply 3 power 5 whole power minus 2 multiply 18 power 2. So 3 power 6, 1 by minus 2 change, no, so 2 power 2 plus 5 2s are 10. So multiply 3 power 10. Multiply 18 power 2. So 3 power 6 multiply 18 power 2 by 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 10. So next step, 18 power 2, 3 power 6 changing, so 18 power 2, 2 power 2 plus 3 power 10 multiply 3 power minus 6 equal 18 power 2, 2 power 2 multiply 3 10 power minus 6. So 18 power 2 by 2 power 2 3 power 4, 3 power 4. So 18 how to multiply? 9 2s are multiply. So 9 multiply 2 whole power 2 by 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 4 equal 9 power 2 multiply 2 power 2 by 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 4. So 9 how to write? 3 3s are 9. So 3 power 2 whole power 2 multiply 2 power 2 by 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 4. So 3 power 4 multiply 2 power 2 by 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 4. So denominator numerator same only. So value equal 1. Second one, 9 power 2 multiply 7 power 3 multiply 2 power 5 by 84 power 3 equal 3 power 9 3 3 so 3 whole power 2 multiply 7 power 3 multiply 2 power 5 by 84 2 into 42 we segregate 2 42s are 84 so power 3 equal 3 power 4 multiply 7 power 3 multiply 2 power 5 by 2 power 3 multiply 42 power 3. So here the same value 42 we change to 221 sir. So 3 power 4 multiply 7 power 3 multiply 2 power 5 by 2 power 3 2 into 21 power 3. So equal 3 power 4 multiply 7 power 3 multiply 2 power 5 by 2 power 3 again 2 power 3 multiply 21 power 3. 21 also change how 7 3s are. So 3 power 4 multiply 7 power 3 multiply 2 power 5 by 2 power 6 multiply 7 3s are 21. 7 multiply 3 whole power 3. So equal 3 power 4 multiply 7 power 3 multiply 2 power 5 by 2 power 6 multiply 7 power 3 multiply 3 power 3. Here 7 power 3 7 power 3 cancellation so 3 power 4. Here 3 power 3 positive coming so up going to negative so 3 power 4 minus 3 power minus 3 2 power 6 multiply 2 power minus 5 so 3 power 4 minus 3 by 2 power 6 minus 5 equal to 3 power 1 by 2 power 1 equal to 3 by 2. Third one 2 power 8 multiply 2187 by 3 power 5 by 32. 2187 take fractionation method so 3 729s are again 243 times again 81 times again 27 3 times again 9 3s are again 3 zeros are again 3 3 1 32 for 2 table factorization 16 2s are 8 2s are 4 2s are 2 2s are so 1 2s are so 2 power 8 multiply 3 power 7 times coming by 3 power 5 multiply 2 power 5. So 2 power same base value 8 minus 5 multiply 3 power 7 minus 5 equal 2 power 3 multiply 3 power 2. So 2 3 times 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 3 2 times 3 multiply 3 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 3s are 24 24 3s are 72. Next seventh one solve for x values. So solve x first one 2 power 2x minus 1 by 2 power x plus 2 equal 4. So same base value 2 power 2x minus 1 minus x minus 2 equal 4. 4 how to write 2 power 2. So 2 power here 2x minus x 1x is so 2 power x minus 3 equal 2 power 4 2 2s are 4 so 2 power 2 here base value equal power value only different so x minus 3 equal to so x minus 3 minus 2 equals 0 so x minus 5 equal 0, x equal change minus change to plus, so the value x equal to 5. Second one, 5 power 5 multiply 5 power minus 4 multiply 5 power x by 5 power 12 equal 5 power minus 5. All are same base value, power only different. So 5 power 5 multiply 5 power minus 4 multiply 5 power x multiply 5 power minus 2 12 equal 5 power minus 5. So here base value only different, base value equal, power value only different. So 5 minus 4 minus 12 plus x equal 5 power minus 5. So you take power value 5 minus 4 minus 12 plus x equal minus 5. So everything the same one side. So 5 minus 4 minus 12 plus x plus 5 equal 0. So 10 minus 16 plus x equal to 0. So 10 is small number, so minus x plus 0 equal to x equal to positive x plus change to minus, left hand side change to right hand side. Next 8th sum, find the number in standard form of the following exponents. So 6054.321. First sum, how to write 6000 separately segregate first. So 6000 plus 50 plus 4 plus first decimal 3 by 10, second decimal 2 by 100, third decimal 1 by 1000. So 6000 means 10 power 3 plus 5 10 power 1 plus 4 10 power 0, anything but 0 1. So plus 3 power 10 minus 1, 2 power 10 minus 2 and plus 1 multiply 10 power minus 3. Second one the same, 897.14 equal 800 plus 90 plus 7 plus 1 by 10 plus 4 by 100. So 800 2 times, so 8 multiply 10 power 2 plus 9 multiply 10 power 1 plus 7 multiply 10 power 0 plus 1 multiply 10 power minus 1 plus 4 10 power minus 2. The ninth sum, find the number in standard form of the following expressions. So you see the question, standard form, how to change the standard form number. So first one, 8 multiply 10 power 4 plus 7 multiply 10 power 3 plus 6 multiply 10 power 2 plus 5 multiply 10 power minus 1 plus 2 multiply 1 plus 4 multiply 10 power minus 2 plus 7 multiply 10 power minus 4. So 10 power 4 means 80,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2 plus 4 by 100 plus 7 by 10,000. So 87,652.0407. Second one, 5,000 plus 50 plus 5 by 10 power 1 plus 5 by 10 power 3. See the questions I send in notes. See the questions. So 5050.505. Third one, the radius of a atom is 2.5 multiplied 10 power minus 11 meter. So 10 minus 11, already 1 point of decimal also coming. So 12 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 points coming. Next 10th one, write the following number of a scientific notation. See the questions and write the answer. So first one is very easy, count the number. Second one, how many decimals coming? Third one also the same. Fourth one, you count the cubic kilometers. Fifth one also, with that bucket, earth in the bucket will the values. Thank you students. Today class is over. Your homework, write in exercise and example sums neatly in subject note. Once again, thank you.